It's been a long time coming, but now I'm on my way. Got my bag and I've got my bottle, and a new song for every day. But now I'm singing in the sweet Georgia rain. Sweet Georgia rain. Stowed away on a midnight train, Athens, Georgia by morning light. I'm still singing the Detroit blues, resting up from a traveler's night. Now I'm singing in the sweet Georgia rain. Sweet Georgia rain. Like my father before me, a hobo on the track, my world and my song I carry upon my back. In the sweet Georgia rain. In the sweet Georgia rain. Sweet Georgia rain.